Welcome back to our channel. Euler spiral is a curve whose curvature changes linearly with its curve length. It finds its application in integrated optics, auto racing, railroad engineering or highway engineering for connecting and transitioning the geometry between a tangent and the circular curve. Let us see how to plot this double-ended Euler spiral in Python with just few lines of code. First import numpy as np and pyplot provided by matplotlib as plt. Let us also import a Scipy special provided package called Fresnel. This is most important and it is provided by scipy.special. Let me take 1000 samples ranging between -10 to 10. I am taking a negative range so that we will get double-ended Euler spiral. Now the sampled values are in t. Let us pass this t as the parameter to the Fresnel method provided by scipy.special. The return values are nothing but the parametric equations for double-ended Euler spiral, and they are stored in x comma y, which can be passed to plot our Euler spiral. And let us have red color for our spiral. To visualize it, call a show method provided by pyplot. On execution, we got the double-ended Euler spiral. The curve continues to converge to the points as t tends to positive or negative infinity. As mentioned, it is used in real-time applications. So instead of taking sampled values, you can take the real-time values and pass it to t and then plot the curve. The continuous varying radius curvature is used to reduce the losses in photonic integrated circuits as well as in optimizing the racing line during the corner entry portion of a turn. Please write your comments by using real-time data. If not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel.